Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. We're here today with what my kids eat in a day. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. And I hope you enjoy. It's 8:13 in the morning. They usually wake up by 7:30ish, and then we just stay in bed and hang out. And then they come down and then they eat before they go take a shower, do any other thing. So this morning they are having pancakes. Sky's own is almost done. Pancakes and milk. It's oatmeal banana pancakes. Maybe later on I'll show you guys how I make it. So at least Sky's snows on is still. You say cheese? Okay, eat your food. So, MK, what are you eating for breakfast?
I eat milk and pancakes.
Milk and pancakes?
Yes.
Okay, good job. I finish up your food, okay? So they are just having milk and pancakes. I make it from scratch, okay? So it's oatmeal, banana, eggs, and milk. Blend it all up together and then fry it to pancake. So that's just it. Anyway, I will see you guys in the afternoon. Had these fruit pouches for snacks during the day. Some of this fruit mix. So hi guys, so for lunch they are having rice with chicken. Sky is already done with her chicken, that is why there is no chicken on her plate, but as you can see, this is what they are having for lunch. I'm not going to give you guys any recipe or any how to cook this meal unless you want to see that. Then let me know in the comment section below, okay? Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys their dinner. They were so hungry and the house was kind of rowdy, but this is what they are having for dinner. They are having beans with egg and some vegetables in it. Snow is almost done with his own, and then MK is almost done too. We are so hungry and I didn't want to be distracted while filming, so I'm sorry, but at least I managed to capture what they are eating. Sky? Yeah, there you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and go watch other videos. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye.